Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily play Physic Idle on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. It's going to be the first link. Then you'll end up right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing tool. It's going to help you install and play games. So when you're going to click download Ldplayer, you want to open it and install it. And I create an installation video how to do that. So you're going to open the tool, then you're going to choose where you want to install the program, and then you're going to press install, and then it's going to do for you. So here we're going to have the Ldplayer, and then you need to log into Google Play. So right here you go to Home, Systems App, Play Store, and you're going to Physic Idle and click play here. And now we just have to wait until it loads. And you have to log in here. So you use VASD, and then co to znamená? Co ti jebe?